Opo, okay, thank you. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm here upstairs. Oh, ayan. Ay, sarado. Hindi ko makikita yung ano. But anyway, at least makikita natin yung magandang view. Ayan. Going up, up, up. Golden, golden, golden. Okay, may pupuntahan pa doon. Ayan, oh. Andito tayo ngayon sa barangay Bukal-Bukalan, Sorsogon City. Ayan. Sabi ng babae, di ka naman successful. Ngayon naman ngayon, at least masarap ang tulog ko dahil malinis ang konsensya ko. At dahil dyan, I'm very successful for having a clean conscience. Right? Ay! Ayan.